Well, hey there, people. Today we're going to return the scrap I got from my neighbors the other day, and I got a few pickups afterwards, and yeah, let's get her done. Give her. Alright, we're not going yet. I'll give you the tour. Gotta get the tour first. Trippy. JJ. You're gonna have to move, buddy. Oh boy. He's the best cat, I swear, man. Hey, Judge. Who's the man? Oh! The scrap view with Shelly.
Hey, I thought you would already be gone. That's why I came to the front.
I was waiting for you.
What for?
Come with me.
Okay, well, just give me 2 seconds there.
That easy.
I'll put my shit away and then I'll come with.
Okay. I don't know. What a mess. It's hard to guess. I'm gonna guess 70 bucks.
Mars, as you were videotaping, Scrappy ran down the street right behind you.
Did she? That little bitch.
I just saw her.
Oh, there she is. Where are you going, Scrap? Get. Leave the bees alone. You don't want those. Okay, go. Fast, fast. You're gonna get stung if you chase that bee. Well, sometimes in life you gotta learn the hard way, I guess. Okay, I'm distracted now. We gotta go to the scrapyard, remember? Come on, Marcel. Get to it.
Yeah, where would you like to sit me, dude?
I'm not used to having company.
Yeah.
Can you just throw it in the back? Just find a spot.
There's a wet spot in the driveway.
Don't say that.
I'm telling you. I have to tell you. Where would you like me to put it? fuck's sakes. Screw you.
Right there. That's where you put it. You're messing up my truck.
Whatever. It's my truck.
It's your truck now. Okay, here you go.
It's been my truck.
No, it was your mom's.
Okay.
Then it was
my
your dad's.
First.
See, that's why we keep the truck alive.
It was my dad's first.
Tell them why I'm so attached to this truck.
Because it used to be my dad's. And then when he disappeared, my mom took it.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I don't want to do the truck cap swap almost. There's reasons. I love this truck. She does the job. She does it good too. Forgot where I was going for a second there.
Why?
I don't know. Hey buddy, done work? Oh, steel door. Right at the scrapyard.
No.
It's a trap.
It is.
Don't touch that. Is that Coca-Cola Classic or what the hell?
I don't know, but he's got a lot of
Cocoa. A lot of Coke.
He brought them all in the cases, and now he has to dump them into the bags. What's he gonna do with all that cardboard?
I don't know.
This guy's got a lot of work ahead of him, man.
All that work, he might get $7, she figures. $7.
Crazy.
And she didn't warn him that he's only getting $7, so he thinks he's getting $1 million right now. Poor guy. Then he's got to take all that cardboard back home. But at least she gave him the plastic garbage bags to put him in.
You never know what he's doing.
I feel bad for him. I feel real bad for this guy. She told me to go help him.
Shut up.
She did.
Okay, let's go. I'm feeling sorry for him. I'm gonna end up going and helping him. You better leave.
You should go help him.
No, fuck, let's go.
It's the drunk bike guy all over again. Look.
Shut up. Okay, let's go. I'm feeling really bad. Marcel.
I forget what I said a while ago, but I got whatever, $70.
I think he said 70.
You think I said 70?
I think so.
Okay, whatever, I said 70. I was hoping for 80, but whatever, you can't win them all. I mean, I didn't have to go very far for that, so it's all good. Alright, let's go get 4 appliances. Let's do this. You ready, Shelly?
Marcel videotape.
Okay, now he deserves it. He's just being silly. Like, want me to tie up your bags for you, my friend? Like,
no kidding. That's bad. Okay, go.
it's the drunk bike guy all over again. Butt shot for you guys. Yeah!
Like, how stupid can you get? You can't, like, tie up the bag?
Well, he's on camera, like he's under pressure. Give the guy a break.
He doesn't know he's on camera. It's horrible.
Okay, let's go spend all this money on beer.
No.
That's what everybody thinks. That's what I do, is just spend my money on beer. I got bills, mortgages, and truck payments, and headphones, and earphones. And I don't even have a fucking cell phone. Careful. 27.
26, 21 over here.
Oh, that was easy.
There you go.
And there they be. 4 beauties. The horde's growing again. I just started cleaning and now the horde's... You want to see what I got, Scrappy? Come see what I got, buddy. inked in her eye. You named her right, bud. She is the Scrappy. Well, not a bad day's work there, I'd have to say. A day's work. Scrappy scrap. That's not scrap, buddy. Well, that's it for the Lazy Scrapper. I'm done for today. I appreciate you guys watching. Cheers. And we'll talk to you guys later. Metal Vocalist Wanted rules.